Hey y'all, welcome back. Yesterday y'all saw an intro to this video, but I didn't get to film this video, so I'm back the next day with more sunlight, and we're gonna clean up still and reorganize everything. I've been wanting to do this, but I just wanted to make sure I had the right lighting. Y'all know, like last time, I'm gonna kind of like curate a little vibe while we clean up. This time I'm gonna add a little Christmas R&B to it. Actually, we're just gonna do the Christmas R&B playlist while we clean. So the Christmas R&B playlist will be in the description box if you're interested, and that's what you'll be listening to today. So let's get started.
Then I'm right back on Rodeo. Still got some boys on the payroll. You niggas still tipping Carol. She with a P in the leg at the condo. We bout to eat my Giano. Helping the P out, some beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Broncos. OJ, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollo. Inside my body is hollow. Count up the right, get your post out the ghetto. You know that was always the motto. Said nigga won't talk out the side of his neck. I just let it be, I'm come and swallow. Told my little brother we pulling up spanking these niggas that thinkin' we hoes. Don't do no explaining, don't know what you thinkin', but you help a young nigga grow. You add up the two means up for my fingers, I pay like 600 a month. Give out so many bands, about so many bangers, you askin' the real niggas know. I been putting that shit on, show me boy how to dress and get fresh and pull up with the hoes. Don't care about no nigga been sending me threats on the west, I get love from the low. Let me turn back around and go back to a step for a nigga with internet jokes. But that shit I'm still doing it for Jeff and Lil Kitty, you know it's RP to the boat. And my heart covered in chrome. Then I just not rockin' chrome. Gonna back up early morning. That bitch, you passing me rolls. Every little spinner's been doing it wrong. I never talk on the phone. Yeah, class said they wanna be known. Man, that we didn't put them on. Then I'm right back on Rodeo. Still got some boys on the payroll. You niggas still tipping Carol. She with a P in the leg at the condo. We bout to eat my Giano. Helping the P out, some beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Broncos. OJ, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollo. Inside my body is hollow. Count up the right, get your post out the ghetto. You know that was always the motto. Said nigga won't talk out the side of his neck. I just let it be, I'm come and swallow. You pick the fight and no way you can run from it, nigga, cause we going at it. I know some nigga locked up in the dungeon that said it feel like a fabric. I know you heard I've been pulling up pressing these niggas who claim I read it. You been all on the yacht with my motherfucking straight off, look at it, my whole body tatted. Got the T-Race automatic. No, I ain't south to Atlantic. Bulletproof truck and it's medic. Ain't taking shit else for granted. All this shit costs, it ain't nothing for free in the street, so yeah, I gotta have it. Yeah, still young, got no one, and I'm still a big P, and I'm still like Dallas. Back on the edit. One of my diamonds a paddock. I got these niggas the maddest. I'm dressing up like a salad. I said this. I said it be on the attic. She done pulled up with no panties. In my Los Angeles palace. And I'm right back on Rodeo. Still got some boys on the payroll. You niggas still tipping Carol. She with a P in the leg at the condo. We bout to eat my Giano. Helping the P out, some beaming on narcos. Thinking I should take the Broncos. OJ, gotta go get it tomorrow. I'm selling out the Apollo. Inside my body is hollow. Count up the right, get your post out the ghetto. You know that was.
Okay, y'all. So next thing we're going to tackle is refrigerator. And this is a judgment-free zone. My refrigerator really has not been cleaned out for real since Thanksgiving or before Thanksgiving. It was cleaned out in November, but like after Thanksgiving it just kind of fell by the wayside. Yeah, brace yourselves. It's, you know, it's a little bad in here. There's a lot of things that need to get thrown out, so that's all I'm saying. Like, we're gonna be nice. I'm embarrassed. This is a very vulnerable thing to show. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get it clean. Let's start at the bottom.
That was always the motto. Said nigga won't talk out the side of his neck. I just let it be, I'm come and swallow.
They try to copy image. So as y'all can see, everything is mostly cleared out. The only thing I want to finish clearing out is this. With all the sauces, you know, all the little dips and stuff are in there, and it's just like not good anymore. So we're just gonna start fresh with some new condiments. So let's see what we got up in here. Actually, I actually feel like, hold on, let me turn this TV down. So I was about to say, I feel like you could really judge a household or a person based off of their, like what they keep in their little condiment thing. And let's see what's up in here. I think that might be fun to like kind of see what kind of sauces we have. I'm a big sauce person. I love sauces. We have a lot of Chick-fil-A sauces just because they're really generous out here in Texas with Chick-fil-A sauces. Like in Louisiana, like after the third one, they like, okay, that'll be 15 cents. And you're like, but this is Chick-fil-A. Like I could have went to Wendy's to get charged. Like I'm telling you, in Lafayette, they act like some cops. We have plenty sauces. We got sweet and spicy sriracha, which I think is a slept on sauce. A lot of people don't really do this Chick-fil-A sauce, but I have an appreciation for it. So sometimes I get it. Lots of honey mustard. I will say though that the elite sauce at Chick-fil-A is has to be the original just Chick-fil-A sauce. Like this sauce is the best sauce. If you have gotten to this point in the video, tell me right now, what's your favorite Chick-fil-A sauce? Tell me your favorite Chick-fil-A sauce. So some people are Polynesian people, and I feel like those people are just like diehards. And it's good, but it's just like, it's okay. Got some Popeyes black and ranch sauce, which is also one of my favorites. We got Wendy's with the barbecue sauce. Wendy's barbecue sauce is okay. It's not the same, you know. Honey mustard. We got this, you know, Wendy's barbecue sauce. Really could have threw this whole thing away. So, yeah, that's the first one. And then I feel like also in refrigerators is like, okay, you got like your level 1 side, which is just like kind of like the stuff I just went through. And you have kind of like a step up from that. Like, because up in here we got In-N-Out. And In-N-Out sauces, I don't even know. I don't feel like really these type of sausages you should keep in your refrigerator anyway, because I just feel like they don't be fresh. Like we never touch these. Like there's absolutely no reason we should have this many sauces, but I don't know. It's just like an urge. All right, now this is not my doing. Y'all see this? This is not my doing. This is all Chick-fil-A barbecue sauce. Someone else has an obsession with Chick-fil-A barbecue sauce. And like I said, in Texas, they just give them to you. So we just take them. What's this? Oh, okay. We got something new. We got hot picante from McDonald's. This used to be also another favorite. Like when McDonald's was good, like their breakfast, I would love this sauce on what was it? The burrito, the breakfast burrito. But then we got Taco Bell hot sauce syrup. The hot cake syrup. This syrup used to be so good to me. Had a couple of those. Haven't had McDonald's breakfast in a very long time. That's everything. It's cleared out. We have like all the shelf cleared out right here, as y'all can see. So the next thing I'm gonna do real quick is give it a good wipe down. And then I gotta pour out like all the empty containers or like all the stuff I want to throw out that was liquid. I gotta pour it down the sink. So we are almost done. Like I can't even pick it up. All right, y'all, so y'all saw the final product all done with clearing everything out. I cleared the shelves. I washed the shelves out with hot water and soap, basically spotless. So now that that's out the way, catch the next vlogmas or maybe a couple vlogmases after. I'll be restocking it and refilling my whole refrigerator and reorganizing it, like the food and stuff now. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this little clean with me. It was literally a whole day's worth of work that I had to do. It really was like the refrigerator. It was just like I had to take out the time to clean that. So now that that's all clear, I just feel like I already am in a better space and I'm really ready to like buy more healthy food again. So y'all will definitely see a grocery haul coming up and y'all see me restock the refrigerator. But for now, don't forget to subscribe and go follow me on socials, __ at Megan Alex. And I'll catch y'all in the next vlogmas. Bye.
Tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again.